Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best drone under 300. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is Holystone FPV drone. As Holystone is quite popular for making a wide range of drones, the HS700D FPV drone is more focused on videography and has some quality specs for such purposes. The HS700D fits the budget pretty well and offers top-notch video quality with its 2K FHD 90-degree adjustable camera covering almost every angle for you with its 110 degrees FOV. Apart from that, the fast and accurate 5 GHz live video transmission is a handy feature to see from the drone's perspective. Unlike most drones, this drone comes with a battery of 2,800 mAh capacity, which delivers a flying time of almost 22 minutes on a single charge. For the next flight, you will need to charge it again, for which it takes up to 5 to 7 hours. However, the control range of 3,280 feet and transmission range of 1,640 to 2,600 feet is amazing for a drone in this price range. The number 4 on the list is Ruco Foldable GPS Drones. Well, if you liked the previous drone from Ruco, the F11 Pro, but didn't want to spend that much, choosing the F11 over the F11 Pro while saving some bucks is not a bad decision either. It has all the necessary features that make it a great alternative to its own Pro version. You will be amazed to see the drone's performance and build quality. The flexible and strong design is complemented with level 7 wind resistance. Apart from that, its camera is capable of capturing 4K quality images in 1080p Full HD videos effortlessly while all the maneuvering control stays in your hand. It can go higher up to 4,000 foot while still staying connected because of the amazing signal band. On the other hand, you can enjoy the 5G FPV transmission up to a range of 1,600 feet quite easily. You get a total flying time of 60 minutes if you consider using both of the 11.1V 2500 mAh batteries one after another. In addition, the beginner-friendly features like the GPS hold, 3 speed modes, gesture control, 1 key takeoff/landing, headless mode, point of interest makes the experience more enjoyable. The number 3 on the list is Dirk D20 Mini Drone. If you are looking for beginner-level mini drone for fun photography or for your kids, then Dirk D20 is the right product to invest in. This drone is equipped 720HP camera which is capable of taking aerial videos and photos. Because of the FPV transmission, you can check out the live feed through smartphone app. It features a low-power alarm and emergency stop features, which ensure a safe flight. It is equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, which give out 20 minutes of runtime. It comes with voice control option so you can just provide commands like landing or take off to the drone. With gesture selfie feature, you can just show your palm at the camera and it will take the photo automatically. This drone is also equipped with Waypoints Fly, which means you can set a flight course on your phone and it will fly according to it. The number 2 on the list is Ruco F11 Pro Drones. The Ruco brand is popular for manufacturing durable drones. When you pick any drone from this brand, you are benefited with long-lasting use and great stability. The Ruco F11 Pro drone is an excellent choice when it comes to reaching long distances and great heights. This drone is capable to transmit video signals up to 300 to 500 meters. Moreover, it supports image transmission up to 500 meters distance. Through powerful GPS positioning, the F11 Pro can fly steadily to capture clear quality images. In its configuration, the 4K Ultra HD camera lets you experience stunning 4K Ultra HD picture quality as well as 2.9K video for exceptional clarity. The output images represent deep contrast and bright colors. You will experience the amazing beauty in ultra-high definition. With the help of a 120 degrees FOV lens, you get a wide view of the moment. The number one on the list is Holystone Foldable GPS Drone. Holystone is one of the best drone brands because it offers exceptional build quality along with top-notch specifications in all their products. We have put the HS720 foldable GPS drone in first position in our article as it fits right into the list and offers premium quality specifications for the price. The camera quality is absolutely crisp as it offers 2K video capturing with 2048 by 1152 resolution. Along with that, the camera housing has dedicated shock absorbers for delivering great image stabilization with super smooth transitions. Moreover, the 90 degrees tilting camera and 5 GHz FPV transmission, it becomes easier to see the world from various angles. Its sturdy build and foldable design make it more suitable to carry and withstand shocks and drops.